I'm literally in the bathroom right now because I didn't have time to film it this morning, but my skin's okay. I was running so late. I also get really bad smile lines, like, no matter what, so, like, that's fine. Lashes, I, like, literally messed up so bad because they were already, like, really, like, messy and curled, so then I just, like, put the lash glue on it and kind of, like, curl them back into an eye shape, and they wouldn't work, but I had lashes, and then right after I put on my shadow last minute, these are the only lashes I could find. I didn't have time to take off my makeup when I was already there and committed and running late, so I was also going to match my eyeshadow to my outfits. I don't know why I would do that. I thought that'd be like cute. It would be, but I'm literally wearing a sweatshirt and leggings. Like, I don't want to change, so awful. Whatever. I'll have to go pick up lashes after school today. I'm in the middle of class.
She gets lost.
I'm fine to go and do.
No, John, do.
So, this is Jillian. What do you think of my eyeshadow today?
I love it. It's amazing.
Thank you. Everything else.
I heard quiz and I went.
Follette, how do you feel about the pink look?
Know that I am a makeup guru. Most people know that. I like how the shade matches her new drug rug, and I like how it is blended well with the eyelashes popping.
Thank you.
10 out of 10 for me.
Thank you. We love it.
So he's like, take a photo by the water. And I was like,
Afton, what do you think about the pink
I
today?
love it.
You love it?
Yeah, it's amazing. Look at those lashes. A highlight. Look at the
Even though it's hard to see.
beautiful brows. Look at the just stunning masterpiece that is just the pigmentation.
The pigmentation is unreal. I used the James Charles Artistry palette. Use code James for 10% off.
Word.
This challenge has literally been the hardest thing ever because everything goes wrong. Every time I try and do it, I lost my other lash, so I had to find another pair, and this pair is like super crusty and dusty and gross. And then my brush for my eyeshadow didn't know had other color on it. And then I tried blending that out, and then it kind of got messed up, and I literally only had eyeshadow on when I left my house. Did the rest of makeup in class, and I'm not even kidding you, 4 minutes. And then I tried to fix up like the size, and it didn't really like work out, or like I couldn't put my freaking contact like box. So I love that. I also forgot lip stuff, but it's fine. We're only blue today, so I also forgot to like vlog a lot yesterday, but like it's okay. Today will be a lot easier, so. All right, Jonathan, what do you think of the blue?
You spilled highlighter on your face. Like the pen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Letting you know, Alyssa, I did my whole face makeup in 4 minutes in study hall, and I had my contacts fell out, so I had to wear my glasses, and then I had no time to do my eyeshadow, and then I did it all in 2 minutes, and it turned out bad. But anyways, what do you think of the blue?
Oh, nice.
But how do you feel about it?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yes.
I thought you were asking the camera.
No. How do you?
I like it.
Thanks.
I really like it, and I think it like matches well with the headband somehow.
The black and the white?
Yes, I really like it. It looks nice.
Thank you.
It adds a touch of color to my life. Spruce it up.
Jonathan told me it looked like I put a blue highlighter on my eyelid.
Oh, Jonathan. He says I have ADHD.
So how do you feel about the blue today?
I love it.
Thanks.
It's a beautiful look.
Thank you. We're partying like the Gatsby. Hold on. So I'm doing purple today. I didn't have time to set my makeup or bake, but Jillian, what do you think of the look?
I love it.
Thanks. I also can't find my mascara to do my bottom mascara, but
Show them what we're doing here.
currently in a push, and we're doing like a choose your own adventure based off of points. Right now we have 3 points, and we kept getting negative points, but we're doing pretty well right now. We're in phase 5, partying like Gatsby, sorry about it. We've killed our boss because we don't want Al Capone to kill us. It was either kill Al Capone's men or my boss, and of course we're gonna kill our boss because Al Capone would just kill me after, of course. But what do you think of the purple today?
You know what? I love it.
You love it?
They probably can't hear me. I love it. Yeah, it's a lot.
Scale?
Should do your makeup like that for prom.
With my purple dress. How do you both feel about the purple for today?
I like it. I think it's very bold and happy and bright.
I really like it because I don't see many people with it, so I just thought it looked great.
What don't you like about it?
Nothing. No, I like it.
No, I genuinely really like it.
Thank you. What like a 9 out of 10 for today?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
I really look like I haven't slept in 10 years. Oh my god, I look like Emma Chamberlain.
So the last day, I'm kind of talking quiet because what I was saying was the door, like, there's no door to the bathroom and someone walked in and that was like embarrassing. So this was like 20 minutes later, a homeowner walked in and I was just like, what? And then she left and like started talking on her walkie-talkie. So I was like, okay girl, I'm not doing anything weird. Today's look is green and I literally didn't even have time to do like highlight or anything, so I'm not happy about it. I didn't even have time to talk about makeup, but I'm wearing green today. It's Friday. Alyssa, how do you feel?
I really like it.
Thanks. Which one's been your favorite one so far? I had blue, pink, and then I had a purple one yesterday. Did you see that?
Oh, I didn't.
Oh.
I think so far the ones I've seen, I like the green the best and the pink.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Excuse my dirty room, but I just want to show you. I'm literally sitting on my bed too. I want to show you my outfit that I wore to school. I wore this top from Forever 21. These pants are from Fashion Nova. I like them. Some people loved them, some people didn't. Like 12:20, 12:25 right now. I left school early because I'm dying and I had cramps all day. Like my face isn't really like, it's very natural. I don't have like any bronzer or contour or anything like that on, and my skin's like dewy. But I did green today for the last day. Today's Friday, so I did Thursday through Friday because I tried Monday, and I might put that clip in there, but it turned out really bad because my lashes, like before I put them on, were messed up. So I've been having to wear my glasses anyways with my makeup, so there's some things here and there that you couldn't really see that well. It covered up by my glasses anyways, and same with my lashes, so I'm not too bothered by that. But yeah, I did green for the last day. I literally had like not even 5 minutes to do my eyes, like literally not even 5 minutes. I leave by like 7:05, no later than 7:10, and I woke up at 6:40, so I still had to like get dressed. I did my hair, I had to like wash and everything, get stuff ready for school, and do my makeup. So I used the James palette. I use a James palette for everything, and all other days I did not wear cute outfits. Today was the last day I wore. It was the last day, so I was like, I was gonna wear cute outfits the whole time, and I just didn't. So I was like, you know what, it's the last day, might as well. I've been wanting to wear these to school for a while anyways, because I have before, and you know what, they're cute. So a lot of people told me they were cute, but there's just a little tea right there. So but anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and my Instagram, so you should go follow me on there, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.